so.
I hope I was recording the rest of it.
Pra mim.
I don't think I recorded the rest of it.
Huh?
I don't think I was recording the rest of it.
Yes, you didn't?
I don't think so. Yeah.
I got a big cup! This is massive! Ta-da! I wonder where this one came from. What? Do you want the big one too?
No.
What?
Because I didn't record the beginning.
Huh?
Do you know what that is? That's chocolate.
Wait, how does it go? Wow, look at this.
Ooh, the chocolate.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Meu predileto. Prestígio. Ser prestígio.
Prestígio.
Eu vou comer. Quer comer? Vou comer. Na, 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 na. Oh, so good. Tão bom. De coco.
Yeah.
Coco, prestígio. Coco, prestígio. Let's see if I can hear the ocean. You know, it would be fun if it stayed in my ear. It's still heavy.
Yes, and she is going to eat that after it's been all in her hair.
Huh? Who does that? I guess I'm the only one that does that. And then what's this? Is this like pinico? You know what? It's a pinico. You know what pinico is? What's it called, that thing you wrap my head?
Look, come here. Look that way.
What?
Wait, come here. And look that way.
What? That top of my face? Is that what it is? What are you doing? Get out of my face. No!
Let me show them the chocolate on your face.
No! Vai pra lá. Vai pra lá.
Chocolate all over her face.
É um pinico. Menina. Ó, vou comer chocolate. Aqui, ó. Esse aqui é igual o outro.
No. It all tastes the same. I'll take a bite.
You never had this before?
No.
Let's see. What's this in English? It has no English.
Okay, give me a bite.
Small bite, because you might not like it. It's pretty good though.
I like those Rice Krispie looking things.
That's what I told you. I feel like crispy.
Different.
Different?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Sorry.
That's what yours, the other one is like. Why am I putting trash in my egg?
Why are you putting your egg in your hair? I don't know.
My hair's clean, okay? It's a wig. Do you like it? And what's that right there?
Surprise!
Hey, I got you! Wow! Dois ovos!
Mhm.
Mas eu não preciso de abrir.
Não.
Alright. Chega de chocolate. Vou ficar gorda. Né?
Uhum.
Ficar gorda?
Não.
Ficar gorda se comer muito.
Uhum.
Comer muito chocolate. Não. Sabe o que? Put food in here and get a spoon and eat it.
Mhm.
That'll be really something else. I got a taco over here.
Yes, you did. Say bye to the camera.
Chocolate.